Hey everyone, this is the 2021 Kicks Compact SUV. Now, I know you've seen Kicks around. It's hard to miss them on the street with their electric colors and two-tone paint, but this one is brand new with a new front end and redesigned LED lights, front and rear. And it ups the urban street vibe from the original, which was created by Nissan Design Studios in Rio de Janeiro and San Diego, two of the great beach towns in the world, right? It's all good and coming to Nissan dealers in February. Now here's the deal with the new 2021 Nissan Kicks. It lets you express yourself with your own design statement through a program Nissan calls the Color Studio. Kicks becomes your own private canvas. There are millions of ways to customize the Kicks to your own style, like electric blue metallic or monarch orange metallic with a super black lid, or lots of other color combinations. There are interior light treatments so you can change the mood inside as many times as you want, and wheel inserts that really up your style. The possibilities and personalities are endless. You'll also love that Kicks is loaded with all sorts of smart stuff. Gotta keep ahead of the ordinary these days. All I know is Kicks has so much cool tech you don't usually find in cars you can afford. Check this out. The Kicks engine is off. Press this button on the key fob, and like that, the Kicks starts up. You can do this from inside your house so the heater turns on in those cold mornings. Even from the beach, when you're packing up your stuff, so the AC can go in and cool the interior down by the time you get there. The Kicks interior holds plenty. It's surprisingly roomy, considering how nimbly it moves through traffic and around town. You'll love how it is on your life on the go. Work, friends, family. You don't always have time to stop at home and reload. The Kicks has plenty of cargo room for your essential gear, along with your friends when you decide to roll together. And when you're inside the new Nissan Kicks, it's like you're in your own world. The interior has been completely redesigned for 2021 with new materials and finishes. Want to indulge yourself with heated front seats and steering wheel? Kicks has those too. Talking about the latest technology, this new 2021 Kicks comes with Nissan Safety Shield 360. It includes automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection. The people in your neighborhood will appreciate that. Blind spot warning, lane departure warning, rear cross traffic alert, high beam assist, which is great at night, and rear automatic braking. That'll teach those sneaky light poles and shopping carts that jump out at you when you're backing out of a parking spot. When weekends come, this new Nissan Kicks is great to drive. It fits almost anywhere, including tight parking spaces. And there's plenty of power from its 1.6-liter engine. It has a fuel economy of 31 miles per gallon city and 36 miles per gallon highway, which is reason enough for spontaneous road trips. In fact, it's so great on gas, your friends won't bust their Venmo accounts when contributing their share of gas money. How much will they love that? For 2021, Nissan has added available rear disc brakes, along with intelligent cruise control, with electric parking brakes and auto brake holds. For people always on the go like me, Kicks is the compact SUV you need to go with. Of course, like any vehicle worthy of the Nissan name, Kicks has a seamless connectivity to make you feel more connected. There's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard in every 2021 Nissan Kicks. There's an available Wi-Fi hotspot with over-the-air updating and a new 8-inch color touchscreen display. Need to stay charged up while you're driving? Kicks has up to 4 USB ports to charge multiple devices. When you get into DJ mode with the Color Studio interior lighting, there's a choice of sound systems, including Kicks' legendary Bose Personal Plus audio with speakers right in the driver's headrest. And talk about cool technology, check out the intelligent around view monitor that gives you an amazing bird's eye view of the entire Kicks, front, rear, both sides, all at once. Anyone who has ever been freaked out about parallel parking, worry no more. So check out the new 2021 Nissan Kicks. You'll absolutely love it.